is my 1985 Pontiac Fiero Ferrari kit car. It's based on an 85 Pontiac Fiero GT chassis with a V6 4-speed manual transmission. Just recently put on the chassis mount wing. Got it in white primer right now. We found this car buried in the weeds at the side of a barn, and we're bringing it back to life while we're doing some creative custom stuff to it. What's up, creators? It's your boy, Mad Mike. And on today's episode, we're gonna go do something really exciting. I've been waiting for this day for a number of years. We're gonna go down and pick up my new car trailer. So stay tuned, check it out.
If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Ha! Dare to be you. This world is just a canvas to our imagination. Turn a figment of your mind into creation.
We did it, boys! Merge it onto the highway! I just bought a car trailer! Woo! I'm so excited! Did it! $2,300. Got myself a car trailer. Why did I buy a car trailer? I'll tell you guys all about that in a little bit. Fixed the truck. After a 4-hour road trip, picked up this beauty. Yeah, buddy. Always wanted a car hauler. There it is, guys. 18-foot car hauler. Picked it up last night. It's a U-built trailer. It's gonna do the job for what I need to do. I'm just hauling around a light Fiero. A little bit of damage on this fender here, but we'll be repainting it. Probably putting on some new rims, definitely some new tires. These tires here are pretty shot, but it's got dovetails on the back section here. So that's gonna make it super handy to load. The ramps are nice and wide, nice and long as well. So the angle to get the Fiero Ferrari kit car on is gonna be no issue whatsoever. The decking's pretty thick, it's in good shape. Previous owner replaced one board, but other than that, pretty solid. So I guess you guys wanna know why I bought a car hauler. So the reason I picked up this car hauler is because I'm moving. Gonna be moving from BC back to Ontario. And this is gonna get me and the car there. All right, guys, we are down at the car trailer right now, but we have a bit of an issue. So I came down here yesterday and measured the trailer to make sure that the car was gonna fit on, but it's not. So this is 77 inches wide from the bottom of this angle across, and the back end of the Fiero is 80 inches. So what I had to do was cut out the fender wells, and I'm gonna have to get some mud flat material or something to cover this up, so when I make the road trip, I don't get a bunch of dirt, rock, and debris coming out. But that'll give me my extra 2.5 inches on either side, and the car should slip in here at the back end just perfectly. Because the one thing I wanted was not to have too much weight at the back end, causing my trailer to do a death wobble. So with the back end being cut out now, hopefully the car will sit in. The engine on the mid-engine Fiero will sit above the back axles, and it'll tow really nice. So let's go ahead, finish cutting out this side here, get rid of that shit, and then I'll have to modify some mud flaps and make sure that when I load up the car, it fits in and doesn't rub the wheels or anything else. So a bit of a pain in the butt that I have to modify the trailer and widen it up at the back end, but that's what you get for building a wide body Ferrari Fiero kit car. You just gotta take each little struggle as it comes, pick away at it, and today I'm gonna get this done. That way it's off my mind. Make sure that the car will fit. Oh, the other thing that I have to do is, back end is so wide, it's 80 inches from the two tires outside to outside, and this is only 76.5 inside to inside. So to be able to clear this lip right here, I'm gonna have to get some 2x12s or something like that and block this up so that my wheels sit above this angle here. But once the tires sit above there, and I cut these out, the car should fit in, no problem. So I went down to the city, picked up some 5x5.5 wheels that came off of a Suzuki Tracker or whatever that model is. Love the color, put them on, got some good winters here, plenty of tread, so they should make the trek across Canada a lot safer. And I was able to use one of the old ones as a spare tire that I'll bring with me. But yeah, so I had to change the tires, modify the back end, but we got a car trailer that's gonna fit the Ferrari wide body. So let's go ahead, cut out that last fender and remeasure, make sure that the car is gonna fit on. there's one side down. Got it all cut out. Let's finish off this side here. Pull a measurement, make sure that the wide body Fiero Ferrari is gonna fit. I also had to go out and buy a drop hitch for the truck. Getting the truck all tuned up right now too. But you can see here, I had to buy a pretty big drop hitch. But now that we got this, the trailer rides level. Fenders are all cut off on the trailer. So I think we're in good shape. All right guys, it's a couple hours later. We're back down at the car trailer. I had to go pick up my batteries. Batteries are all charged up. Let's go ahead and cut out the second fender and then we'll take our measurements. Just holding on by a thread. There you have it guys, both sides are now cut out. We can go ahead and take our measurements, make sure that the wide body Fiero Ferrari kit car is gonna fit inside the trailer. Let's take all this junk to the metal scrapyard, chuck her out, job well done. All right, let's go ahead and pull some measurements. Look at this beautiful place that I live in though guys. Mountains, cliffs, look at that, even rainbows, beautiful. Gonna miss this place, moving back to Ontario, but I'm doing it for the YouTube channel and for you guys so I can get you guys some better content. I'm gonna have a big Mad Lab over at my brother's house where I can do daily uploads if I decide to do that, but I'll be able to do higher quality builds. We got a bunch of new car projects in line, and yeah, we'll be able to do some more creative builds. I'll be able to set up all my tools and do a lot better work than just underneath the carport. We're making the move, boys. We're making the move. Just threw down some Tremclad Rust-Oleum spray paint just to cover up the bare metal so it doesn't rust on me if it rains this evening. But we got rainbows out, so hopefully we got clear skies in the forecast. So that worked out great guys. I got both fender wells cut out so the Fiero Ferrari kit car is now going to fit onto the car trailer. Thanks for watching this episode. You guys are now updated on my big move back to Ontario. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.